Good morning, welcome to my latest very quick vlog. Just doing, this is literally the very first time I've ridden my bike since I put on the new handlebars. So I'm just doing a quick little vid so I can tell you how it feels and see how it goes. As I say, this is literally the very first time. I've not even test driven it, and I'm taking it to work. Hopefully everything's okay and we'll make it in one piece. Otherwise I'm in the doggy do. I do fancy my exhaust is making a little bit more noise than normal, so I don't know if that's slightly blowing. I'd be worrying because I got an MOT in 2 weeks. It's not like I'm going to get an exhaust off the shelf. Anyway, handlebars. As you can see, they're much lower down than the stock. Not drastically low like some bikes. I didn't want to give myself a bad back because I already suffer slightly from a bad back because, let's face it, I'm an old dude. But they actually feel really cool. Actually, they are low down, but I'm not bent over. They're in exactly the right place. The throttle's really nice. Ooh, bike car blocking the road now. Yeah, the throttle's really nice to pull back. The brakes are in the right place. Yeah, and I'm actually really liking it. Be interested to see what it's like when we go around a steep corner. I'll stay behind the taxi for now rather than pull in front. It's a bit later than I normally go to work. Normally go to work at 5:30. I'm going in at 6:30 today, which means it's late, which is unusual. And a lot heavier traffic than normal. I've only ever sat here on my own. Okay, should have got to the front because he's pretty slow on the pull away. And the lights are already going red before we even cross, thanks to the one car. I really like the look of these particular bars that I bought. Cafe Racer style, I think, if I remember right. Maybe if I remember, I'll put the link where I got them from. Motorbike Parts Warehouse, I think. They were very good, very fast service. I think this time I'm not going to wait for him to pull away. Blocking the box up, of course, because he's a taxi, so he can go wherever he wants. Not sure where he's going. In the middle of the road. Probably some reason why he's in the middle of the road, but who knows why. See him in the mirror, he's still in the middle of the road. Anyway, that's it. It's just a very quick vid, just to let you know that I think these are brilliant. I mean, I've literally driven them since the start of this vid to now, so it's not a long product review. Just literally, do I like it? Yes or no? Was it worth it? Yes or no? And the answer is yes to both questions. Alright, here we go. Part 2 of my video about my new handlebars. Test driving. I'm going to take you around some corners now on the way home. That exhaust definitely sounds different to me. I am wearing a different helmet, so it's possible that I've just forgot what it sounds like, but it sounds a bit raspy. So it does actually feel like it corners really nicely. Just lean in and around it goes. It's not making any difference to the handling at all. The only downside is I definitely put my left brake too low when I drilled the holes for the handlebars for the things. If you've seen that video, you'll see that I didn't put the left-hand controls quite in the right place, and it's slightly uncomfortable. It's just a little bit low on my left hand, but only a tiny thing. If I was to ever do it again, then I would definitely pay more attention to that. I do feel like I'm reaching slightly further with the bars lower. not in an uncomfortable way. It's one of the other jobs I did recently was I replaced the indicators with LEDs, and one of the things I've noticed with that is the old ones, the relay, had a very audible clicking sound, whereas this one with the LED relay, it makes no noise at all, and I have to keep remembering to turn it off. One of the people I follow on Instagram and YouTube, Scottish Zoomer, I know for sure he's got a video on his channel that shows the same problem, that he couldn't hear his indicator, so he installed something that makes a beeping noise. So if you ever watch his videos, when he goes around the corner, it beeps quite loudly. And you know what, I think I'm going to have to look up his videos when I get home and see what it is he did. So if you listen to this, Simon, thank you very much. I shall be copying you at some point. Just do one more corner and then I'll say adios. So yep, I shall now say goodbye. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next week. Thanks.